Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best mini drill in this video? I will show you the top 3 best mini drill to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Aeromax Mini Electric Drill with Bench Drill Press. Specifications: brand name, Aeromax. Usage, home DIY. Power source, battery. Weight, 46 grams. Rated voltage, 3.6 volts. Max. Drilling diameter, 2.3 millimeters. Application, plastic, metal, aluminium, wood, leather, machine. Drill type, mini drill. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. The item number 2 is Hoto 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit. Specifications: brand name, Aeromax. Usage, home DIY. Power source, battery. Weight, 46 grams. Rated voltage, 3.6 volts. Max. Drilling diameter, 2.2. Application, plastic, metal, aluminium, wood, leather, machine. Model number, SDS Mini Plus. Drill type, mini drill. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Hoto 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit. Specifications: brand name, Hoto. Usage, home DIY. Power source, battery. Weight, 250 grams. Model number, QWLDM001. Drill type, mini drill. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Free airspeed, 5,025 or per minute.